Hello everyone, it's Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal. Let me show you the power of some ice. Here we have a gutter that's getting pulled away from the house. Not only is the gutter getting pulled away, I mean it's completely packed with ice. You can see the fascia board down there is rotted away. There's multiple nails and screws sticking out. Now, one time, this gap that the critters are going in was not like this. If you look down there, you can see the metal fascia trim is pulled out from behind the drip edge. So this whole gutter is just sagging away. Because of the ice, we can't really do too much about it. And if we look right here, the water is dripping into the soffit and is iced up in the soffit, putting more weight on it. So we have weight right there because it's getting in behind. Pretty much a bad deal. This is why it's important to maintain your gutters and keep your house insulated. Thank you.